guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, I have a link down below. If you click on my link, you get $25 towards your first fix, and I think it's like $20 per fix, so you have an extra $5 to spend. But all the information is here on the box and what you do. It's pretty cool. It gives you all the instructions. And it comes with a price sheet as well as a style card and a letter from my stylist, and it's still Kate. And so let's get into the box. So the first item that I got looks like a dress, and it is white and black stripe. It looks like it flares out at the bottom, and on the back it has this crisscross with a tie in the back. It's super soft. Only thing it looks like you can see through it a little bit, but it's super cute. And let's see what this is. This is Fortune and Ivy Liberty back detail knit dress in, it's color white, so it's white and black. So it's pretty cute. I like this, but only thing I would have a little concern is if you could see through it. So that's nice. I'll do prices at the end, but you'll see on a little card here the items for when you check out. So you can see the prices and the descriptions. If you like anything you see, you can request it through your stylist. So the next item is a pair of pants. These are really soft, but they're really nothing I would there's nothing I would really gravitate towards. These are straight leg pants. I like skinnies, so I'm not sure where she got some of these styles from. They're stretchy. This is Layla Ryan. I've never heard of that. And these are Katie Chino cargo straight leg pant in blue, which is like a navy blue. They have pockets in the back. And like I said, it's a straight leg at the bottom. So we'll see how those fit. Next is a cardigan, and I'm really not digging the color. I mean, green is nice, but it's really not my thing. I like grays and whites. Like I told her in my note to her that I like light and bright colors, and again, I received dark stuff. So I'm trying to figure out what the miscommunication is, that I like light and bright items. So this is just a straight front cardigan, and it has pockets here, and it looks like there's a little slit on the side. And this is Love Ellie Alyssa open cardigan in green. Again, it's super soft. This next item is a pink top. It looks like a dolman with some bigger sleeves on the side. This would be cute with a pair of jeans, but I guess you could pair it with those cargo pants that she had sent. It's, again, super soft. And this is a Michael Starr Verona dolman sleeve knit top in light pink. So that's cute. Next item here is a very thin top, and it's very wrinkled. It's just a light purple tank top with a tie on the side. So it's cute. It looks like it goes up in the back though. Yeah, it like goes up in the back and longer in the front. That's interesting. So see that, how it goes up in the back? This is the back. It goes up in the back and down in the front. Maybe it's the way it's tied. So here's the top. It's super thin. I mean, it's something I would wear, but not sure how much I would really pay for it. It's the Good Human Rolina knit front cotton blend knit top in light purple. Okay, so these are all my items. What I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys and come back and give you prices, and if there's anything I decide to keep. So see you guys shortly. Okay, so here is the first top. I tied it kind of tight, so I guess you can tie it a little looser if you'd like, but then you could see it's like open here. I don't know, it's different, and then it's higher in the back, which I really don't care for. But here is the tie. And it's just a basic top. See how high it comes up? And I'm just wearing it with a pair of leggings. So I'll do a little turn for you. It's really high here. I like things a little bit more V-cut, but I'll do a little turn for you guys. So here it is. It's very thin. So I don't know. I like the light and bright color of it. It would be cute with a pair of jeans, but let me guys know what you think. Okay, next is the pink top. It's super cute. It has the dolman sleeve, and it goes down a little bit in the back. It's cute, but it's just very basic, super soft. We'll see how much this one is. It's probably super expensive because it's Michael Star. So we'll see. I'm gonna do a turn for you guys. Let me know what you think. Okay, next are the chino pants. They're really comfortable and soft, but I just don't like how it's cut and wide here at the bottom. They have the front pockets, as you can see, and then the pockets in the back, which I do like, but they're a little bit baggy here and a little bit around here, so it's not something I usually wear. Yeah, I'm not digging that ankle. It's just not me. I prefer jeans or like a black pair of pants like this that are like tight at the bottom. Okay, next here is the green cardigan. This one, I like how it's flat in the front, but just the color is just not me. I really don't care for this at all. I wouldn't wear this. I wouldn't gravitate towards it. So this is gonna be a definite no. Okay, next is the dress. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's really huge, really big in here. Really just not my style at all. I really don't care for it. So I'll come closer. You guys can see the pattern. You can see the back, how it works. I like the back. That's basically all I like about this, and maybe like the V-neck, but that's it. This isn't really my style at all, unfortunately. Okay guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts. This fix was quite expensive. I always ask for like cheaper the better. I'm not sure why this was so much higher and why she would send such expensive stuff. So the first item is this dress. It just didn't do anything for me. I like the back, the black crisscross, but I think on my profile I have no dresses. I only like maxi dresses and maxi skirts. So this was the Fortune and Ivy Liberty back detail knit dress, and that was $44. Not a bad price, not at all. Next is these pants. These are by, let's see, Layla Ryan, and those are $98. Absolutely no. These are just not my style at all. Next is this Michael Star pink top. I thought this was probably the nicest thing in the box, but I know the name and I know that comes with a price tag. So let's see. Michael Star light pink top, $88. No, not doing that. Okay, so that's a pass. Next is this green cardigan. I think I have on there no greens. I said light blue, light pink, black, white, gray, light colors. Green is not the color that's on my list. So this is Love Ellie. If this was in a different color, I totally would buy it. Love Ellie cardigan, $38, which is not a bad price at all. So that's going back. And then this last top here, I could probably find this a lot cheaper. This is the Good Human, and this was $44. Yeah, no, I could probably find that for 10 bucks somewhere else, Kohl's. So I'm gonna pass on everything in this box. This did not hit the mark at all. I kind of felt like my note wasn't read. I specifically put certain things on there and they weren't sent. I see other people getting nice stuff and colors that I like and clothing that I like. Every time I request something, I never get it. So I'm really getting frustrated with Stitch Fix. Yeah, let's get to the prices. So the total was $312. Buy all 5 discounts, $78, and it was $234 if I bought the whole box. Not buying anything from this box. It wasn't me at all. Not my style. I'm not sure where she got all this. I kind of feel like it wasn't for me. It was for somebody else. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and look out for my future videos. Thanks. Bye.